told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay.
If you're looking for a very simple black soap recipe that will take your skin from 0 to 100 real quick, this is the one for you. I'm going to be showing you how to make this very simple yet effective black soap recipe. Trust me, you need to watch till the end. To make this black soap, we're going to be needing our raw African black soap. African black soap has so many benefits for the skin. It helps to exfoliate the skin, it helps to reduce inflammation, it can help with spots and wrinkles, and it can even the skin tone. Also, African black soap is also great for the hair, so you can use it for your hair as well. This is going to be the base of our soap. We're going to be adding lots of ingredients into this to now make our simple effective soap. Right now I'm just adding the raw soap into the mixing bowl. That is the bowl I'll be making the entire soap in. Now I'm just trying to break it into tiny chunks so it will be easier to mix and turn. I'm just breaking this up gradually. Once that is all done, we're going to move on to adding the rest of our ingredients, which will make this soap the bomb. The first ingredient we are adding is honey. Honey is really great for the skin. It can help to hydrate the skin. It has healing powers. It can help to soften and clarify the skin. And most importantly, honey is really great for fading spots. So if you have spots on your face or on the body, this is going to help with that. So now we are adding the honey into our black soap. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because at the end I'll drop the measurements of all the ingredients so that you can use it to make yours. Now this next ingredient is something that not a lot of people talk about, and trust me, it is really great in black soap. This is a shower gel. You can use any shower gel of your choice. Any one at all is fine. Now the shower gel, adding a shower gel into your black soap has lots of benefits. It will help your black soap to be more cleansing, and it will also act as a soap booster, a foam booster. More importantly, it's going to help to soften the black soap. You know, the black soap is kind of solid, so adding this in will help to soften it. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and add the shower gel into the black soap and honey. As I said before, you can use any shower gel or body wash. It works just fine. Trust me, you will love the outcome of the shower gel in your black soap. Now I'm just going to give this a very good mix. All I'm trying to do is to make sure that the black soap and the shower gel combine very well together. You can use your spatula to mix. You can also use your hands to mix. After mixing with my spatula for a while, I went in with my hands because using the hands has more effect in mixing it. So I just tried to mix everything together, and then after a while I'm just going to cover this up and allow it to sit for a few hours so that everything can be well combined, and then I will bring it back. I left the soap for about 2 hours to sit, and this is what it's looking like. As you can see, it looks so good, and that's because of the shower gel we added. See, it has this very silky and lovely feel. It's not completely smooth right now, but as it sits for longer, it's going to become smoother. So right now we are just going to go on with other ingredients. Right now I'm adding in jojoba oil. Jojoba oil has natural vitamin E. It can help to prevent clogged pores. It moisturizes the skin. It also has antibacterial property. This is the only oil I'm going to be adding into the soap, and that's because adding too much oils into your black soap will make your black soap not to lather well. So you need to add just little oil into your black soap so your black soap can lather well. That's the secret. As you enjoy watching this video, please make sure you like, comment, share this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. After adding in the oil, I'm going to give this a thorough mix, and to ensure that the oil and the soap is well combined before we add in some more ingredients into the black soap. Now after that, move on to the next ingredients. The first herbal powder we are adding is camwood powder. Camwood powder is a natural antioxidant. It has anti-inflammatory property. It can help to improve the blood circulation to the face. It can also help with anti-aging. So Camwood powder's benefits are endless. Now I'm just going to add the camwood powder into our black soap mix. Let's not forget, camwood powder is also called African sandalwood powder. So now I'm going to add it into the black soap, and then we're going to add another powder, a very popular turmeric powder. Turmeric powder can help with hyperpigmentation, it brightens spots, it has healing benefits, it can help with acne, it can help with wrinkles and fine lines. Trust me, the benefits of turmeric to your skin is a lot, you can't exhaust it. So right now I'm just adding the turmeric powder into the black soap also. As you can see, I'm keeping it very simple. We're just adding in very popular ingredients. Now after adding in the camwood and the turmeric, we're going to give this a good mix and ensure that everything is well combined. This soap is so rich, and you're going to see the benefits on your skin. Now after mixing this up, I forgot to add one last powder, and I'm going to add it right now, and that is sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder helps to reduce dryness, it can help with moisturizing the skin, it helps to prevent wrinkles, and it also exfoliates the skin. Sandalwood powder is a really underrated skincare ingredient. So right now I'm just going to add the sandalwood powder into our black soap, and after adding it, I'm going to give this a very good mix. I won't be adding in any preservative into the black soap because I didn't add any water. I'll also not be adding in any fragrance, but you can add a fragrance if you want. You can also add a preservative if you want. If you're making for personal use, then adding a preservative or fragrance is not that necessary. But if you're making for sale or you're making it to gift someone, then you should add a preservative and also a fragrance. Also, if you're looking for where to purchase all the ingredients used in this video and in all other videos, I have them in stock for you. Let me know in the comment section so that you can purchase them. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and put this in my jar and save it for use. This is a really small quantity. I'm just using it for personal use. You can make more. You can just increase the recipe measurements to make more. If you don't want your own black soap to be as runny as this, then reduce the amount of shower gel you add. And if you want your own to be more liquid than this one, then increase the amount of shower gel that you add into yours. This is the full recipe with the accurate measurements as promised. You can take a screenshot or write it down, and make sure you follow this recipe and measurements when making yours. I know this video was helpful to you, so please don't leave without liking, dropping a comment, subscribing, and turning on your notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Bye, and make sure I see you in my next video.